Hey friends, welcome back to CT Academy. Today we're diving into something super important. When is a DPIA required under GDPR? Now, don't let the fancy name scare you. DPIA stands for Data Protection Impact Assessment. It's like a safety check companies do before handling personal data in risky or sensitive ways. So when exactly do they need to do one? Let's break it down nicely and easily. First up, if a company is doing a deep automated analysis of people's behavior, like profiling or scoring someone based on their habits, that's a red flag. DPIA needed. Next, if they're handling sensitive data like health info, religion, or political views on a large scale, that's another big reason to run a DPIA. Also, if they're watching public spaces with cameras or sensors and doing it systematically and on a large scale, yep, DPIA time. But that's not all. If a company is making major changes to a system or process that involves personal data, like launching a new app or switching to a new platform, they should do a DPIA to spot any early risks. And remember, DPIAs aren't only about risk, they're about responsibility. By doing one, organizations show they care about transparency, accountability, and user rights. It's a smart way to build customer confidence, avoid legal issues, and stay ahead of potential problems before they grow. Think of it like this. A DPIA is a privacy checkup. It helps companies find and fix problems before they happen. And here's the cool part. It's not just about following rules. It's about respecting people's privacy and building lasting trust. So next time you hear DPIA, remember, it's not just paperwork. It's a smart move to keep your data safe and sound. Visit ctglobal.my. Until next time, stay sharp and privacy smart.